If you're tired of the fake promises and you're serious about committing the next 6 to 12 months to build something real, this is for you. All right, let's talk about the online wealth wheel. Whether you realize it or not, you're already on it. There are three main stages that define where people are in their journey to making money online. Stage 1. No side hustle. This is where everyone begins, yet 55% of people never take the first step. With inflation driving up costs and relying on a single paycheck becoming riskier than ever, having a side hustle isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. The real secret to starting strong? Choosing a method that aligns with your skills, budget, and lifestyle. If you already have a skill, like video editing, graphic design, coding, there's a huge demand for these services, and people are willing to pay well. Stage 2. Running a failing side hustle. If your side hustle earns less than $50 a month, it's failing. Sadly, 28% of people are stuck here. But the problem isn't the side hustle, it's shiny object syndrome. People keep jumping from one idea to another, dropshipping one week, print on demand the next, then Amazon KDP, stocks, or a social media agency. They quit too soon, never sticking with anything long enough to see results. From my experience, e-commerce is the best way to make money, but you don't need to do it the hard way. AI tools like BuildYourStore.ai can set up a Shopify store for you in minutes, products, design, and automation included. Plus, you get a 3-month Shopify trial for just $1 per month. Stop switching, start building, stick with it. Stage 3. Running a successful side hustle. Only 16% of people who start making money online ever earn more than $50 a month. The top earners, making up to $10,000, do things differently. Here's how you can join them. 1. Niche down. Trying to sell to everyone? You'll sell to no one. Define your ideal customer, age, interests, struggles, so your content speaks directly to them. 2. Stay consistent. Most quit too soon. Success comes from showing up daily, posting, engaging, and refining your approach, even when results are slow. Most people think wealth is about spending on luxuries. Real wealth comes from using money to make more money.